Tired of Temu's minimum purchase limit stopping you from snagging that one awesome thing? Let's break free. First, open your Temu app. Make sure you are logged into your account. Next, in the search bar at the top, type in the word free. Yes, just free. You will see a list of free gifts. Now, these aren't actually free, but the goal here is to find ways to meet that minimum purchase threshold without actually buying anything extra. This promotion allows you to claim free item if you get someone to use your referral link. Share your referral link with friends and family. Each new user that signs up through your link will help you get closer to claiming those free gifts. This in turn will help you to bypass the minimum purchase limit. Keep an eye on the progress bar to see how close you are to claiming your free items. Remember, this promotion is time sensitive, so make sure to be as fast as you can be. Once you have enough new users, you can bypass the minimum purchase amount. Now you are ready to check out. You are now ready to enjoy shopping on Temu without worrying about those pesky minimums. If you found this tutorial helpful, and you learned something new about saving money, like the video. If you love learning about clever shopping hacks like this, hit subscribe. If finding ways to save money speaks to you more, leave a comment. And if this made you smile, give it a like.